All right, you guys, here is kettlebell circuit number 2. So the previous circuit, number 1, was more like a dumbbell workout using a kettlebell. Now this one will be more like conventional kettlebell training. So I'll demonstrate the 5 exercises. Again, you can time it 50-10, 45-15, 40-20, especially if you're going to use a heavier kettlebell. Then you're going to do 5 exercises and then complete that round or circuit, 3 to 5 times. Okay, so first exercise is a figure 8 to a hold. So you can start, if you're not familiar with the figure 8, or the figure 8 to a hold. Let's start with the figure 8. You want your back flat, drop your hips down. So see, I'm bending over, spine stays neutral, lower my hips, and I'll turn back around so you can see it. So I'm just drawing a figure 8 between my legs. And you can weight shift left and right. Okay, I'll turn around so you can see it. Back is still flat, knees are bent. Okay, so that's your figure 8. Now we'll add the hold part in, and all it is basically you're kind of adding like a swing every rep per side to the movement of the figure 8. Here's your swing, swing, so you can see it. Okay, so that's your figure 8 to a hold. All right, next is your swing proper. This is a kettlebell 2-hand swing. Make sure that you incorporate the proper breathing mechanics because it is part of the exercise, and then also stop if you feel that you're not able to maintain form. Notice my back is flat when I put the bell down. Okay, so that's your 2-hand swing. And then we're going to go right into a goblet squat. So perhaps I was doing a rep-based version of this. It might look like this, where I can transition right into the goblet squat without a break, as long as I was able to maintain form. So say I'm swinging, then boom, goblet squat. Doesn't really matter. I prefer this way. Some people like it this way. Doesn't matter. If you're transitioning from goblet squat to swing or back and forth, it's easier to have the kettlebell ball down or the lower portion. Next is clean and press, right and left. So exercise 4 is clean and press right. Exercise number 5, clean and press left. So I'm going to demonstrate a dead clean, meaning I'm going to clean off the floor, not the swing variation. So if you had to regress, you could do a deadlift high pull instead, unilateral, especially if you got shoulder stuff. So here's my clean. So I come up, high pull, punch my hand through. Notice that my forearm's almost vertical. Kettlebell's resting right at my shoulder. I'm going to press up, pull it right back down to that position, palms facing in, and then now I'm going to let the kettlebell roll out into the deadlift. My grip is relaxed. Right there, I might squeeze a little bit to use the law of irradiation. Course tight. Okay, so that's your clean and press right. Next is clean and press left. Okay. Try to stay tall and neutral. Little side bend isn't bad. What we don't want to do is arch and put stress on that lower back. A little side flexions, it's okay, as long as you can control it. Okay, so that's kettlebell circuit number 2.